Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. This is Sheva from Bear Mix Journals over at Instagram. For today, I have a very special share of this journal that I created for a journal swap with one of my very first friends here on Instagram in the junk journaling community, Saritha of TheHappyColourCraver. And I agreed to do a journal swap back in December. She actually gave me the journal that she made for me. I'll link it up here. I'll put a card to show you the flip through flip through that I did for the journal that she made for me, and this is the one that I made for her. It took me so long to finish this journal, but I'm really happy with all of the pages that I put in here and the cover. So I carefully selected the digital kits that I used. I won't be able to remember all of them, but I'll link them in the description below. But this journal, she wanted a gold and black theme journal, similar to the Moon Magic journal that I created last year. So I used some of the digital kits that I used there and used them here, and I also found some new ones that I thought would really go well in this journal. So Saritha, if you're watching this, I hope you've already received this journal. Hope it got to you in good condition, because it's going to travel a long way, all the way from the Philippines to India. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this journal, and let's proceed. So this is the journal. It's the back. It's a hard cover journal with 2 signatures. I don't remember how many pages it has, but it has a lot. It's a bit of a chunky one. But yeah, it's really because I found a lot of really beautiful moon, star, celestial kits that I really wanted to use in this journal. And then it's the closure is just this black lace crochet, and then this is the cover. So this bit here, this is probably my favorite. It has a little bit of a galaxy inside, and this is a resin that I made, a frame, so I added that there. And then these are gold appliques. That's part of a floral applique. And then scattered around, I have buttons, this gold sequins that I added there. And then this is a sari trim that I added. And then underneath, there's also this beautiful black trim that I think really sets off the gold in this cover. And then I added this, She Walks in Beauty Like the Night, because I thought really went well with the overall vibe of this journal. I probably will be calling it Beauty in the Night because of the text that's in here, because there's a lot of black elements here, but also a lot of nighttime elements like this moon and the stars. And yeah, so this is the back cover as well. As I mentioned, this is an old Reader's Digest journal from the 50s, I think. So that's the front cover. That's the side view. So when you open it up, there's a pocket here. This I remember very vividly because this is part of Ruby and Pearl XO's, I forgot the name of the kit, but it's the lunar kit that came out last year around Halloween time, I would say. And then I added this netting with some gold stars and moon in circles, which I thought really went well there. And then I added this wax seal. And then tucked inside, I have some ephemera. This is part of the Moonchild kit from Prima Marketing. So you have that there. And then this lining, the black lining, I got this from Gabriella of Penny and Rose Papery. Then this is the front page. Saritha can write her name there. This journal belongs to this. These two I think are part of the Moonchild ephemera kit from Prima as well. Then I just added this bit here as well as more of that netting to tie the spread together. So this journal has a lot of moon elements, lunar elements, celestial, all of those things. Yeah. Probably won't talk through the whole video, but I'll just show the different elements. And then you can see, I don't know if it's capturing, but I added a lot of gold wax in some of the elements so that it will shine. It's a note card, added these. Yeah, more of that gold. I really like the black elements here. I don't use a lot of it. Black lace, black crochet, but I should. So when it flips out, more of that. It's a fun little thing, fun little belly band. I really had fun collecting different elements that would go in this journal, like this scrapbook cutout. And I went crazy adding in the gold elements. The maiden asks the moon to help her. The scrapbook paper is really good. I thought, you know, it went really well with the theme of this journal. You are my moon. Belly band for little bits. This is an envelope. Added just some the things to tuck in. I really love this journal because it has a lot of writing space as well as a lot of, you know, interesting bits from the tuck spots. So that one is totally removable. Oh, this is fun as well. Lots of little things to discover and then use throughout the journal. This is a fun flip up. It flips up like that. And it's also a pocket that houses this extra huge journaling card. Houses there. This is still not a full, you know, what do you call that? Witch journal or a grimoire. I still haven't made one of those, but hopefully in the future, I'll be able to make one. This knitting I really love. I think it just goes so well with this theme. More sequins. This one just flips up. And then this is a floating pocket with lots of little bits that I won't take out. And then this is the second signature. More of that wax seal. Flip out. And a huge lace pocket where you can store lots of ephemera. Then this pocket, I didn't close some of the pockets, so Saritha can have the option to close it if she wants to. Yeah. This is just a fun little ephemera holder. Full page which you can use to write on or cut it out and add it anywhere in the journal that she might like. It's a fun charm, the star and the moon. And this, I added this sticker sheet and this note card. This is from the Erudite Artist, a local artist that I follow, and I like all of her stickers. So I added one of those here that fits the theme of the journal. The middle spread. Actually, this bit, Saritha can cut it out and, you know, use it somewhere else because there's lots of this fabric here. A floating tag pocket. Thought that was fun. More of that note card from Janus. Just a little note card. Bits of ephemera written in the stars. Then a big journaling card. There's lots of huge journaling cards here because I actually found a lot that fit the theme, and I wanted to, of course, add them all. Another lace pocket, this time with a moon or our planet charm. And lots of different bits inside. And the back. So that's it. That's the Beauty in the Night journal for Saritha. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.